Hey everyone, my name is Ryan. Just wanted to come on here and talk about a new feature in Amazon Seller Central that's called Opportunity Explorer. And this allows us to uncover some hidden data that Amazon has kept away from sellers and kept them in the dark about. So it's going to be found under the Growth tab, and it's called the Product Opportunity Explorer. So we'll click it here. And this program came out in March of 2021. But I've heard it's been invite only since then. We're currently in October 2021, and it should be being rolled out shortly. I don't have an exact date, but let me show you how this works. So you can type in any niche, and it says explore customer demand for new product ideas. So let's type in the classic garlic press, and it's just going to pull up the niche. So we have garlic press. And as you can see, this whole niche of garlic presses, search volume past 365 days, 1.1 million searches. And then you can see past 90 days, 285,000 searches. And search volume growth past 365. So let's click into this niche. And you can see 27 total products, average selling price, $12.42. And here's the magic right here. You can see all the products in this niche and all these data points on them that we haven't seen before. So click count, this one right here, receiving 61,000 clicks. I believe it's, past 90 days. And they're receiving 15% of all the clicks in this niche. So we can go down and see all these sellers right here. All this data we've never seen before from Amazon. And then another cool piece of this, we can go over here, search terms. These are all the top search terms in this niche as well. So we don't have to use Helium 10 anymore. Everything's right here, straight from Amazon. So we can see exactly how customers are searching for a garlic press, or any niche rather. So the biggest term is garlic press itself. Past 90 days, 201,000 searches. It's actually a growing category, so it's increasing 21% quarter over quarter for searches. It's actually down 10% year over year. So we can see all these searches right here. And these are the keywords that you should be incorporating into your listing. And you can actually uncover some new keywords that you've probably never seen before. So stainless steel garlic press, 6,000 searches, but quarter over quarter, it's up 252%. So you definitely want to target that in the near future. And then you can see click share. So it's the percentage of customer clicks within this niche. So it looks like 71% of customers are clicking into garlic press, the main keyword here. And then another cool one here is search conversion rate. So you can see the number of purchases of products within this niche in the past 90 days. So it looks like, let's see here, a lot of the purchases are actually being made on this garlic press stainless steel keyword. At 20% of the 20% of the purchases are being made here on this keyword. And then you can see 19% are being made on the main keyword here, garlic press. And then you can also see the top 3 clicked products right over here, super easy. And then another thing we can jump in over here is to insights, get some further insights into this niche. Past 90 days, 360, not 365, sorry. And then today, so we can see top 5 products, click share, 46% past 90 days, top 20, 42%. So if you're not in the top 20, you're receiving only 30% of the clicks. So you really want to be in the top 20 here. Average bestseller rank, number of brands, top 5 brands, click share. All these things we've never seen before. What do we got? Average brand age in the niche. Pretty new brands are in this niche. You can also see number of new products launched in the past 90 days, number of successful launches, average out of stock rate. Like these are things we've never seen in the past, and it's gonna really change the way we sell on Amazon. All right, so now what I want to do is look into a new niche. We have here resistance bands, and we're going to compare the search volume on some of these search terms and see how Helium-10 stacks up against this new tool here. So we have the main keyword resistance band, 237 searches in the past 90 days. We go over to Helium-10. Same keyword here, resistance band, search volume 139,000 searches. And Helium-10 goes based off monthly searches, not quarterly. So it looks like here, Helium-10 is actually overestimating the searches by about 150,000 searches a month. So, I mean, this data is really going to change the way we do Amazon, keyword research, SEO, everything. Look at this here, resistance bands for women. Crazy growth. This is something that needs to be in your title and your back-end search terms, A+ content. If you're selling resistance band, you need to have resistance bands for women. This keyword's just rocket ship right now. Look at this, exercise band. These are growing keywords in this category. So it looks like people are searching for exercise band more often than exercise bands. So look at this, 63%, it's down quarter over quarter. Well, exercise band is up 200%. So that's something you got to keep an eye on now. This is really going to change the way we do Amazon. If you guys want to see more videos, more breaking news, Amazon FBA, let me know. I think I'm going to release one video per week. So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Hopefully we can get this tool out, Product Opportunity Explorer, pretty soon so you guys can play around with it. It's invite only for now, but I think it should be coming out in Q4. Thanks for watching.